So, this video is for someone who may think it's easy to make money in the Forex market. Forex is a very attractive, beautiful business. Everyone is dreaming that they can master it and work from their home. By hearing those who have made millions out of trading the financial markets, one would think there is a holy grail strategy, something that will win all the time to achieve his dreams to provide a good life to his family. The biggest question is Forex that simple? When anyone starts to trade the very first time, they would thought that I will need a strategy or an automatic system to show me where to buy and sell. He may try all the strategies that he can find online, but to discover that they all fail. He would discover that no man in the history of mankind ever solved the mysterious equation of the market. Sadly, the poor trader would decide to quit Forex because he has failed to get that big strategy to make them rich by a day. Usually, they would just say Forex is just a big fat scam and no one ever made money out of it. However, the real truth is they were hunting for elephants in a shopping mall. The title of this video is that you will never make money in Forex trading until you know this. Let's take for an example a big company like Tesla that sell electric cars. Let's assume that there is no accounting department in this company. Do you think Tesla will beat their competitors by depending only on the strategy team? The answer to this question is absolutely no. Every conglomerate is built of full teams working side by side to tackle different situations. So when you are a Forex trader, you are the company, you are the CEO, you are the manager, you are the accounting team and the worker at the same time. You will never survive the ruthless Forex market without all these teams working together. The strategy alone is not enough at all. Having the accounting team or money management is also not enough. These complete each other. So the main secret of succeeding in Forex trading is you have to coordinate all the departments at once. Traders are different. With this, money management is also different. Some traders love to open 10 trades per day and some 1 trade per week. This is a game that doesn't fit everyone with the same goal. So it's really up to you as the trader to pick what system you are really comfortable with. There is a nice quote that says, "Success is not a destination, but a long continuous journey." Using a strategy is never the secret of becoming a successful trader. It is about how you handle your losses and lot sizing. Can you stand a tide of 3 to 5 consecutive losses? If you can, you are halfway to success. Let's now talk about how you can be a successful trader. The first thing is to love Forex. Make it your best friend. Dream it, eat it, and sleep it. To understand it more every day, you need to play it with it more every day. The second part is your losses. You should know how to react to your losses. How losses come is unknown. Losing streaks are inevitable. Winners look at losses as lessons and think what could have been done to avoid them. They will write it down and review it in all similar situations. You also need time to become a good trader. This depends on your ability to learn and apply. Give yourself enough time to try and fail. Some traders need a few months to achieve this and others need years, but in the end, hard work will always pay. For that, I promise you, if you really put your effort to learn and master this one day, your dreams will come true. Emotions are evil in trading. You should know that not all days will end in profit or even months. Forex is just as ruthless as any other business. You have good days and bad days. Only losers will complain about the bad days. With such mentality, you cannot survive in this business. Trading Forex is very beautiful, but never easy. It's a very hard business, and you have to go through a tough journey. A journey that will be full of obstacles, losses, rage, pressure, and stress. But in the end, your hard work will definitely pay you back.